Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. Happy Thrifty Thursday, everyone. I've been working on trying to finish these this morning, and I had a couple little accidents between last night and today with them. But I want to show you what I created. A lot of you knew what I was going to make, but here they are, and I am going to show you them one by one. But I want you to see them all together, and I'm going to tell you all my little mishaps I had. Okay, I am going to start with this crystal snowman. Here he is. Is he not cute, guys? I'm in love with him. The bottom is a light cover, and I believe this might have been a candle holder at one time, because it's just like a bowl with the hole on the top. I think it was a candle holder. And then, of course, there's my hat. How cute is he? He's so cute. I'm going to show you. This is the bottom was, let's see. The bottom is one of these. I got these at a little antique store near me, and I think they were $2. I'm pretty sure they were $2 I got them for. But I still have another one, so I got to see what I want to do with this one. Then, I hope you don't mind my back to you. I'm sorry. Then this one, if you remember when I showed you the bowls I found at Goodwill, that I told you one I thought was a fish bowl. So these are the 3 plain glass bowls I got at Goodwill. This one was $1, and then these were each 50 cents, I believe. Or this might have been 2, 1 and 1. I forget. But this is them. What I did with this one, and of course my snowman hat that I got for 99 cents at Goodwill. Also, I wish I could find some more of these. Someone sent me a message saying like a year or so ago they were at a yard sale and they had dozens of these in all different colors. I would have bought every single one. So this was this. I'm going to show you what I did with this one. Isn't this one pretty? Now, I was contemplating if I should add some bling buttons, but sometimes less is best. So I don't know. I'm sort of liking it as is. You guys let me know what you think. But I think he's so pretty. Okay. Let me show you. I used my sheer curtain, lace curtains that I get at Goodwill. This was a paisley print one. This is what I have like left of a panel. So I did that. I used this curtain and Mod Podge. So I added Mod Podge to part of the glass. And then I started to wrap around. Now, when it started to bunch up on me up here, I put a little slit and overlapped the fabric. But this is what I did. This is how I covered the glass. I wasn't worried about covering the bottom because I'm gluing the next one on top. But how cute, right? This actually would make a pretty cute candle holder if I cover the bottom and put a candle in there. This would make a pretty candle holder. Okay. Then, okay, that's those 2. Then my little guy here, this was one of my mishaps. These are 2 glass candle holders. This right here. And I had glued on one of the smaller Santa hats that I found, the crystal ones. And I had him glued together. And then I was working on this bigger one, and his hat slid off and hit this hat. And guess what, guys? I was heartbroken. It's all busted. So I had to get that off of there. So now he don't have a snowman hat. So what I was thinking was I am going to use the lid to one of my silver creamers, because I have a bunch of silver creamer, sugar and creamers. So this one goes to the sugar. Whoop. See, I didn't glue them on yet because I was undecided. But I think that would be cute. He's like a little baby snowman. Okay. Then, I don't want to break anything, so I want to set it over here. Okay. Then this one, I'm not sure if she's like a snowman or a little girl. But I am liking her. She is I believe this is some kind of light fixture cover too. I will show you this. This I got at Goodwill. This I got at Goodwill. This I got at Goodwill. This little thing I have for the hat I got at Goodwill. And of course I broke two of these while I was trying to make it. Once I was trying to play with it without it being glued on to see what I wanted around her neck, and it slid off and broke. And then the other time I dropped one and broke it. Thank goodness I got 5. These were only 50 cents. But I added a little pom-pom. It was bigger. I trimmed it down. And then I hot glued lace and this flowers from Hobby Lobby. The lace is from Hobby Lobby. It is this little decorative lace here. So it was $2 a roll. I used that, and this flower are sold in a package in the his and her wedding section. I can't remember how much they were. This was not in the package when I dug it out of my supplies. And then I gave her this little scarf pin thing there that you slide the scarf through. But isn't she cute? So I'm not sure if she's a snow girl or if she's just a little girl. But I really think she's cute. Okay. And for all of these, I want to tell you, I use my Gorilla Clear Grip Glue. I know a lot of you use E6000. E6000 is good, but this is my favorite. This sticks so quick. Like 10 minutes, you're able to move your item. Now, you've got to let it cure 24 hours, but it's not going to fall apart like in 10 minutes. It glues together. Okay, then, I don't know if you... Oh, I wanted to show you what the bottom of the little girl was. The bottom of the little girl is this. Let's see. 99 cents is what I paid for these. This is, I believe... I don't know. It's a light cover. I think it's one you put on the ceiling. But how cute, right? So I still got one of these to do something with. And I might use some silver on here. I got something in mind. Okay. Then, I don't know if you guys remember when I showed you for my Goodwill finds that I was walking around and I found this frosted bowl. And I said, oh my goodness, it's got snowflakes on it. It was $1, so I picked it up. Then when I was looking on the shelves, I found the next size. I said, oh, more snowflakes. This is going to make an awesome snowman. This was 50 cents, so $1.50. Then I found the head, remember? Another 50 cents. So when I went, I scrub everything before I use it. Let me get my snowflakes. I scrub everything before I use it. So when I went to wash this, on the bottom was a sticker. And it said, Princess House Exclusive. So when I looked it up to see what this actually was, this was a candy cookie jar, it says. And I bet you if I kept looking on the shelves, and I probably passed it right by, but he was supposed to have a glass little beanie hat on. And I probably just didn't even pay attention to it. So I am missing his little hat. Now I'm undecided if I want to glue him together or not. So again, I thought I would give him one of the sugar bowl hats. How cute, right? So I'm undecided because I'm kind of liking, do you see I have teeth lights in each one. So I don't know if I'm going to glue them together or just leave them like this, because he's made to be like this so you can put cookies and candy in them. But I'm liking the tea lights in them. Can you see them glowing in there? I put one in each section. They will be cute at night. I'll post a picture at night. But that is my Thrifty Thursday, guys. So I came up with a couple different snowmen. I hope you all give them a try. Collect your little crystal pieces. And my little snow girl, I guess I want to call her. She's not actually like a snowman. So I'm going to say she's a little snow girl. I hope you like them all. Let's see, what else am I forgetting? Tomorrow, I am picking a name for the little pumpkins. I want to try to make some leaves. A couple people asked if I ever add leaves to my pumpkin. I do. I was such a hurry yesterday that I didn't make my little leaves. I don't use the artificial leaves. I have to make my leaves. I'm picky. I make them out of my colored fabric that I do out of muslin. There's a bee flying around me. So tomorrow I'm going to pick the name. For everyone who shared, I'm going to pick a name out. Now, for my giveaway on Thrifty Thursday, if you're new to my page and this is your first Thrifty Thursday, if you share this video, I pick a person, whoever shared, their name goes into the drawing. I pick a person and I send them one of my thrifty items for you either to use as is in your home or to change it up. So this week, I am sending you that little bull wheelbarrow I found. How cute is this, guys? I want to see what you guys do with this. You can leave it as is. It's going to be cute with some pumpkins in there. You need to make some of the wool dryer ball pumpkins. I just ordered more of those because I have another idea for those wool balls. The more you look at them, the more ideas you come up with for those. Okay. So I am going to give this away to someone. Whoever shares, I'm going to pick someone for this. Let's see, what else? I am trying to decide if I can whip something together to do a live tonight. I will let you know. I'm not sure. I'm trying to think of something maybe with that little truck tablecloth, the green truck tablecloth that I found at Hobby Lobby. I don't know. I'm trying to think of something. I have a bunch of ideas, but I wanted to be able to do something tonight, and it's going to take more time. So we'll see. I will let you all know later. But I hope you enjoy my little snowman Thrifty Thursday. And be careful when you're creating them. Don't have anything else around in case something falls. And it broke my snowman hat. So just be careful when you're creating them. And I am telling you, if you haven't used this, try this. Because this is awesome. And it is waterproof, outdoor and waterproof. So that's what I use. So there you go, guys. I think that's it for right now. I will talk to you all later. And thank you so much for joining my Thrifty Thursday. If you're new, you got to go back and see some of my Thrifty Thursdays. Some of them are really good Christmas ideas, like the jewelry picture frame holder and the earring lamp holder. That one's cute too, to hold your earrings. Okay, guys, thanks. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.